What's up, everyone? This is Zach James, and today we're going to cover how to create a StarScript social profile. Now remember that StarScript is creating the Legends story production platform, which is going to include a social media element. This social profile that we're going to be talking about today is actually for the temporary social media platform that we've created to help establish community pre the StarScript crowdfunding campaign to get Legends 1.0 up and running. So let's get started. And if you go into Google and just type in the word StarScript, we should come up number one here. Of course, you could just do starscriptlegends.com as well as the URL. So moving into StarScript's homepage, there's actually 3 ways to create an account on StarScript. And I'm going to go through one of them, but just show you where the other couple are as well. So we're going to be going through the join pathway to creating an account. But another way to create an account is by clicking the contribute button, which is all throughout this homepage here. And then go to one of the crowdfunding tiers and contribute. Now, this is the only way that you can create an account and actually rest assured that you are going to get access to the Legends 1.0 through its 5-phase development process. If you are just creating an account through the join button, which is a free account, then you're not going to be one of the contributors who are actually testing Legends 1.0 through all 5 phases of development. So just remember that in order to get access to that, if you join through this way, you are going to have to become a contributor. So the only way that you're going to become a tester for Legends 1.0 through all of its 5 phases of development is by actually contributing to the crowdfunding campaign. And in doing that, like I was just saying, you will end up creating an account. So there we go. We've added it to the cart. And just remember that through the join method, which is a free method to create a StarScript social profile, you do not automatically get access to Legends 1.0 phase 1 as it comes out, or phase 2, or any of the other phases. You have to actually contribute, at least to the lowest tier, which is $10. So proceeding to checkout, this is just something I wanted to show you where you're actually going to create your username and password after you put in all of your basic billing information. Right here, you're going to put in your account username and your password, and you're going to create an account as a result of doing that. Now, there's one other way to create an account before we go actually through the join process, and that is coming down to the bottom here and clicking the affiliate program. The affiliate program also enables you to register right here, which is creating a username and a password. And when you do something like that, you will also create an account, and it'll also set you up to become an affiliate. Then this process right here, the affiliate program, has not fully launched yet. You can sign up to become an affiliate now, but we're still working out a few kinks with payment processing. But as soon as that's done, we'll be making an announcement. Okay, so let's actually go through the join process and create an account on StarScript. So here we are. I would read this. This will basically tell you you got a notice here that I think is important. If you do not upload a profile picture when you create your account, and you can always do it later as well, but you will not show up in the members search when you're searching for people, or people won't be able to find you or your profile unless you upload at least a profile picture. So I'm just going to put my information here using a very old email address. I'm going to create username test12345, password Okay, and then agree to the terms and conditions. And if you wanted to review the terms and conditions for creating an account, you can check them out right here below. So now we're going to create an account. And we're going to now get a very basic profile layout. And the first things we want to do is to actually create, to upload a profile picture, to upload a banner, and then down here at the bottom, we're going to want to add in a bunch of content. So we click edit here. And something else you'll notice that comes up is your notifications is in your lower right-hand corner. So this is where you'll receive notifications. And also you're going to get this account interface right here. And we're going to go through each one of these as well. And also before, if you clicked on the word forums, it would just lead you to basically say that you need to create an account first before you access the forums. So, okay, going to edit. And there's just a couple things that I think people have some issues with that I'm going to go through here. So here you upload your picture, upload your background. And first thing is you're going to see these kind of strange boxes in these sections right here. And these roles are actually going to they're going to be reflected also in the Legends 1.0 phase 1 when it comes out. But basically it's asking you to add in your creator archetype, which is in this regard, just starting in the beginning. Remember, we're starting with 3 simple forms of media, which is text and pictures and sound. And so we have basically these archetype roles. And I know I have a lot of artist friends out there, and they're like, Illustrator is not really a all-encompassing term but for the Legends platform, it is an all-encompassing term for visual artists. And then you'll see that we could actually further classify. So let's just actually click the word Illustrator there. And then let's go to Illustrator type, and you'll see we can add in all these different types of artists. We'll just add in concept artists there. We can add in our website URL, our bio, and some of this information like the date you registered and what kind of backer you are. In this case, I'm not a backer because I didn't go through the contribute portal. I'm just a subscriber. Okay, so coming down to the production area, this is basically an area for you to showcase some video content. So 1 YouTube video, 1 Vimeo video. You should just be able to copy and paste the URL for that specific video. Remember that you can't copy and paste the URL for your channel. Your channel, it's not going to populate a video here. You actually have to go to the unique URL for a specific video, and then you could put it there. Here, your gallery, you could upload images. I'd recommend doing these 1080 by 1080, so they're all the same size. And then you can write a description of what each image in the gallery is. And then sound here, this is actually for SoundCloud. And this is really important also to keep in note. Most people get this wrong, is you can't just copy and paste the URL for a SoundCloud track. So let me just go just to show you SoundCloud. And I'm just going to go to one of my favorite DJs, Pumpkin. And so I can't just, click on one of these and then copy this URL up here. It's not going to work. So instead, I've got to go to share, and I want to go to embed. And then in the embed code, just opening up a Word document so I could see the whole embed code. Okay, so there's this number. This number right here is the track ID. That's the number you want to paste in. So if I grab that number and I paste it in here, and I click the check mark, there we go. So you can see it right there. So remember, it's more than just using the URL. Okay, moving onward. This is really just a summary section to talk about you, yourself, your projects, what you're looking for in the Legends platform, just kind of like a miscellaneous area. So I'm curious to see what you guys come up with there. Production experience, this is just a way for you to talk about the experience you've had in the past, what past projects you're going to work on. This area is going to be much more robust in Legends 1.0 Phase 1. Just recognize that. In fact, a lot of these sections here, like the collaboration offerings and inquiries, where you can offer services and also let everybody know that you're seeking services, this is going to be much more robust on Legends 1.0 Phase 1. But in the meanwhile, this is just something to get started, to get information down for people who are searching you out to learn more about you. Here, inspiration, just showing what kind of movies or what kind of mediums of storytelling you're interested in, which artists you like the best. You can upload a digital business card here, and social media information. So that's pretty much it for the profile. Let's go back and learn more a little bit about the Legends interface. I'm sorry, not the Legends, but the StarScript social profile interface. Here you could just go explore these. I'm not going to click through each one of them, but you could just explore these and learn more about what type of features are existing on this social profile right now. But I wanted to show you what's going on with this account section. If you just click on the word account, that is actually another page. I know a lot of times hover drop downs, a lot of people don't realize that that's something you can click. And so you're going to get lots of different options here. You can change your password, change your address, change your account information. You can check out notifications, and you can choose what someone sends, what you receive a notification for specific actions that are on the platform. Here's web notifications as well. So again, you could customize this so you're not getting notifications for things that you really don't want any notifications for. Moving on. So here's where you go back to your profile. Whoops, we're going somewhere. Back to the account page. Okay. So let's check out community activity. This is a global wall that pretty much anybody can post on. You can post video, sound, images, and this right here is our Instagram feed. It also gives you a way to just kind of go to these other elements of your account. But basically, this is a global wall. So this is for everybody to just sort of communicate with one another about what they're working on. And we're still in the very early stages of development here. And then also you can search members. So this is the area where if you don't upload a profile picture, you will not appear. And so here you can see all of the different members we have, and you can click on a member. We'll check out John Park. And there you are. For some reason, this add friend is white. I'll go ahead and fix that. But yeah, so that's a little bit. So you can check out different people. You can add them as a friend. You can follow them. You can message them. And so just start reaching out to people on the platform. We've got a lot of awesome artists on here. Some of them I know really well. And there's a lot of high quality Los Angeles artists that are up on the platform already. So feel free to reach out to anybody, connect with them, see what they're working on. I think by default, when you message someone, it actually goes to their email, and they do receive an email. Eventually, we'll have push notifications, hopefully in Legends 1.0 or on one of our stretch goals. We'll be able to have it to where when you private message someone, it will serve as a push notification. So the last thing I'll go through, or I guess I'll say the second to last thing I'll go through, is the forums. And here you're able to get access to all these different forum groups, and there's going to be subtopics as well in these groups. And so feel free to post and create your own topics. I think you might need to be a backer to get access to some of these sections, but I think by default, areas like this author's cove right here, everybody gets access to. So that's about it for profile setup and just kind of looking at all of the different elements of the StarScript social media platform that we have up. And just one last thing that I wanted to show you, which is our affiliate program, and it's just a work in progress here. So scrolling down to the bottom of the home page, you could click on this word affiliate program. Now we're already logged in. Remember, if you're not logged in, this may look a little bit differently, but because we're logged in, we're already going to skip step 1, register or log in. We already did that. And we're going to go to step 2, designate a payment email address. So right here, I can say, okay, cool. So I want this email address. And now it's really important for you to only put in an email address that's linked to your PayPal account, because that's how payments are going to happen. You're going to receive 20% of all transactions from contributors that contribute to the StarScript crowdfunding campaign through your affiliate link, or one of your affiliate links, because you can make more than one. So there we go, become an affiliate. And I'm going to go over this whole affiliate program in more detail later on. Right now there's a manual approval process, and then once it's approved, you'll come in here and you'll be able to see an interface that shows all of your stats. You'll be able to generate your own tracking codes, tracking links, tracking URLs. And that's about it. We'll do, like I said, another video specifically focused on the affiliate dashboard, but I just wanted to do a video that shows you guys how to set up your StarScript social profile and to navigate through it and see all of the features that exist on there. As always, I'm open to requests. What would you like to see on this platform? Remember, it is temporary. It is something that's just there to build community while we are working on Legends 1.0. And once phase 1 comes out, this community will slowly disappear, and it will transfer over. And if you hadn't contributed to that point, you're probably going to be prompted to contribute so that you can get access to Legends 1.0, phase 1 through 5 as they're released. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Start sharing this with your friends. Really appreciate it. We're definitely counting on you, the future creators and fans or patrons of Legends 1.0, to make this platform a reality. So your support is greatly appreciated, which is why we are making that affiliate program to help compensate you for your hard work in getting new creators and new patrons on the platform. All right. Well, I'll see you again in a future video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one.